Here is the sign for false. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Just going to use the index finger. All right, go like this, fingers down, thumb in front. It's your pointer finger. Aha! Now we're going to use the tip of the finger, and we're just going to flick the front of our nose once. False. False. From the side, false. From the other side, false. From the front again, false. Okay, starting from the rest position, let's sign false 3 times. Sign with me. Here we go. False. 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 Okay, you may have been noticing my facial expression. Usually when something is false and it affects us, we're not that happy about it, right? So you can put it in your face. You don't really like it. False. False. Now this sign, false, also works for fake, not authentic, artificial, false. False. Okay, index finger, dominant hand, use the tip and just flick the tip of your nose, just rub past quickly, and that's it. If you don't want to touch your nose, at least go close in front and add a facial expression. Give them the complete package when you're communicating. So we have false. All right, we just talked about how to sign false. Here is the sign for true. Okay, use the index finger of your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Index finger, we could say the pointer finger. Put it right here on your lips, like you're going to tell someone to be quiet. That's the starting position. Now drop it down and lean forward. True. From the side. Other side. True. True. Why are we leaning forward? Well, to affirm, to show that it's true, it's real, true. All right, rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. True, true, true. Okay, a couple things. This sign, true, also works for the concepts of authentic, real, indeed, and, of course, true. All right, another thing, you might be thinking, this kind of looks like the sign for tell, like tell someone something. Well, you tell me what's the difference. First, I'm going to sign true, true. Now I'm going to sign tell. Did you see the difference? Once again, true, tell. All right, so true, start in that position like you're shushing someone, drop it out, lean forward. True. With tell, we're going to go like this, palm facing in completely, just the tip of the finger on our chin, so below our lip, right? So we're not going up here, just right here. Tell. True. Tell. Okay, so we're focusing on true. True. If you're just in a heated debate and you really need to lay it in there that it's true, someone's like, it's false. I don't know what you're talking about. It's false. You're like, true. True. So you can put it in your face, put it in your body movements to embellish, or if it's not a big deal, just do the regular true. Okay, we just talked about the sign for true.